Ki seng san perthai ki badan hak liang persya kila rai banam penyeng kertong nak benta ke election jit deputy speaker kaban long haga khat artrik nailor. Unong yalam ka liang persya umukul sangma ulapan pau shakila pthai kbor haga khandai trik nailor. Bakila pelong ka jinga kren hapdeng ka seng All India Trinamool Congress AITC bat ka Voice of the People Party VPP kabalam syakani ka jingshim rai. Ngadang syudap banyak keren bat ki parlok jongi hak liang persya kenthop ya uba Arden Miller besai moit President joko VPP. Hak jinga keren laya rai lang ban penyeng kertong. Ai bakandan ka jingjop suk ya ka syuki Deputy Speaker ong umukul. Ula ong ru baki sengsan perthai ki badan hak liang persya kinsa pentip ya ka nika rasya ulampang ka yeng dorbar thawan ke jela. Kalong ru kalenti ke badai bangin sa pentip ya ka niya siya ulampang ka yeng dorbar thawan haka mensim jok rukam trikam ke babyang kabala syim haka rinsan sen syarpai ba kadai kabala ju persyang watla kamlong kabala hendroi ka dan ya ka rukam le kabatay ya kabala le na du ki por ki bamenswa ba ya ka election deputy speaker la job lam da don ka no kono jinga kun ula ong. Habak kali laki don ya ka no kono jingtmu banwanra ya ka no confidence motion ni ka jingbam dan jingshan ya shu ya ka sorkar umukul sangma ula ong em. Ya ki mat la banra da ka basyim ka bu halor ki kindon paper ki badan haki rule of procedure and conduct of business bat ki way ki wiki kindon jungiriti trekam. Habang isngo baki don kat ni ke sinjam ki bahaban shim kumtangin sa pentip ya pi Henry nakabenta ka ni ka dorbar em. Ngin wanra ya ka no confidence persya ya ka sorkar ula ong. Ka jing pelong ya ka ni ka election kalong kebadan kam hadin ka jing eno kam jong nongelam balarang ba jong ka NPP na resubel para Timothy di Shira kum deputy speaker haka pratrik nailor.
What do I remember?
Using a condom every time?
Yeah, I remember. I don't ignore it. Using a condom every time during sex is really important.
Wow, Ria is smart. Life will be safe for sure when condom is used always.
Don't ignore, remember once more.
The discussion with our friends in the opposition, including Arden Basanu, the president of Voice of People Party, and the discussion ultimately culminated into unanimity to say that we will not put up a candidate. Let there be, uncontested election of a deputy speaker. It is also befitting. We are communicating this same to the Honorable Speaker, that in the spirit of our robust system adopted in our parliamentary form of democracy, it has been always tried, It's not always possible though, but then there's a healthy practice earlier in the past also, where deputy speakers election were uncontested. Issues can be flagged by taking advantage of the different rules provided under the rules of procedure and conduct of business in Douglas House and other constitutional provisions. When we feel that some measures of that scale has to be taken up, then we will inform you. For this session, no.
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.